In APA format, the entries on a reference list must be formatted with a hanging indent. This means that the first line of each entry starts at the left margin, and the rest of the lines are indented. They hang under the first line. This is a list of references in Microsoft Word that are all left aligned. We will look at two ways to create a hanging indent for these references. The first way uses the ruler in Word. If you do not see the ruler on your screen, you can bring it up by going to the View tab and checking the ruler box. Now, to create a hanging indent for all of your references, select all of the references with your cursor. Then, move the bottom triangle on the ruler 1/2 inch to the right. Now all reference entries have a hanging indent. The other way to create a hanging indent uses the paragraph menu. Again, select all of the references. On the Home tab, use the arrow to expand the paragraph settings. Under Indentation, go to Special and select Hanging. In the By box, choose 0.5 to create a 1/2 inch hanging indent. Click OK. Following either of these methods will ensure you have the proper hanging indent formatting for your APA references page.